Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe. So what is Pepe really doing right now? Why is Pepe not seeing more upside? We're going to answer all these questions, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe as of November the 11th, you can see we still have about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 130. We're down a little bit in USD comparative, but we're up 0.4% in Bitcoin and 1% in Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours, which is great to see. Market cap holding still above the $500 million mark, to be exact, 550 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $140.6 million, which is of course great to see. But what exactly is happening with Pepe right now, which is causing the price of Pepe to not see the potential upside that we're hoping for? So let's take a look at that. First, of course, you guys know I'm going to look at the best thing that I take a look at whenever I'm looking at the charts for Pepe, and that is the holder count. So is the investor confidence still there? Are people still accumulating Pepe within their portfolio? And the answer to that is yes. All the answers are right in front of our screen. If you really want to see if new holders are coming in, guys, on-chain analysis and on-chain data is there for us to see. And so, you can't make things up. We are seeing holders continuously coming in and accumulating Pepe within their portfolio. And as of November the 11th, 147,058 holders right now. So we're seeing a continuation of growth in terms of new holders coming in. But now let's take a look at the price, because what exactly is the price doing? We're seeing some huge levels of resistance coming in the way, which of course I've discussed on my channel with you guys. So let's take a further look as to what I'm really referring to. So you guys can see, look at this red line. We're seeing the price of Pepe pretty much bouncing back and forth here for a few times. And the reason why we're doing that is because we don't have, as of now, enough buying pressure for us to see a more move towards the upside. And also we're seeing manipulation within the price of BTC over the past few days as well. We saw this massive wick just on November 9th, 2 days back, and it's pretty much been doing sideways momentum. And Bitcoin dominance tends to also sometimes go up, go down. That affects the overall altcoin performance. But as far as Pepe is concerned, one thing, if you are a holder of Pepe, that you want to be paying attention to is the way Pepe currently holding towards this momentum. It's holding really strong around this range. We pretty much wicked all the way down to this 1239 zone, but never managed to go below that. So that speaks a lot for itself and really shows us that the momentum is definitely there. We do have significant support around here, but at the same time, the support is really important, because if this support were to be lost, we could be making our way down to the 1054 zone. So right now it all depends on BTC, and this is something that you guys want to keep in mind. So if we were to lose this support line, we could see a move down about 20%, and that's a realistic dip that could happen for Pepe in the upcoming days if Bitcoin sees a downside. But if not, in the next few days, I'm very optimistic, because the way Pepe is holding, let me show you the hourly time frame. Yeah, guys, the way Pepe is holding right now, you can't make this up. It's looking great in my opinion. When a project goes to a monthly high and starts moving sideways like this, that is a huge bullish momentum and shows that the confidence is there and not much sell pressure as of now. And that is no secret. We're seeing huge buy orders coming in for Pepe over the past few week and a half, and I think it's ready to rumble and start hitting towards the massive resistance that we're aiming for, which is at that 1506 zone, and that is a 16% move from the current prices. And I think that's where things get exciting for Pepe, and we could potentially even see $1 billion market valuation coming once again for Pepe. Remember, massive exchanges have this project listed, and when exchanges list a project, guys, usually, depending on the exchange structure, the way they do their business, some of them do buybacks, and we never know what can happen. But of course, the biggest plus point right now is that the market is heating up. a lot of people are looking for the next opportunity, and there's a lot of people that are comparing Pepe with, of course, the likes of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and that is no secret, and that's why we're seeing so many people talking about it. And I think it is going to shock a lot of people. The team has really gotten serious, really serious. Engagement is there, massive announcements are there, and this is something you need when you are running a meme coin, because without that, trust me, without those two factors, you won't have the hype factor anymore, and eventually people start flocking and going elsewhere. So great way Pepe is holding right now. We need to pay very close attention to BTC, but I'm very confident the next few coming days ahead of us, we will see Pepe retesting this resistance for the first time since July of this year, because that's when we broke below it, and once we broke below it, we never saw the price of Pepe reclaim above that range. So that is that for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and of course, to my Pepe family, thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support on a continuous basis. Love you all, and of course I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.